It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We're at a large office complex. Everybody's still working. Cars everywhere, people walking around, people typing and working in their offices, making phone calls, business deals, what have you. And we're going to do a carpet cleaning. Can you imagine if we did a carpet cleaning with a large truck mount, with the large hoses going up the stairwell? Can you imagine doing a carpet cleaning with the truck mount, with a loud engine outside, making a bunch of noise, disturbing everybody in the complex? No, I can't imagine that. One of the benefits of our method, none of that happens. We're going to bring our Orboset machine, small machine, and we're going to be able to do a terrific cleaning using our innovative, one-of-a-kind process. With this cutting-edge technology, we're able to actually clean more efficiently and give a cleaning that is much better, much quieter, and much more effective than your traditional methods using hot water extraction, steam, truck-mounted cleanings. And best of all, no wicking. No wicking, no resoiling, no wet carpets for a long period of time. Our carpet's going to be dry in less than an hour. And that's huge to the client because the client's here in the other office. So we're able to do that, keep it quiet so we don't disturb anybody, and do an effective cleaning with this machine. And we had to go up the stairwell with this machine plus our dice machine. And what we're doing here is using a neutral product, safe product, and extracting the soil, water-soluble soil that's in the carpet. We already performed our dice process, extracting the dry and soluble soil. And this is a great method. Not to mention, we're also doing a deep cleaning on the floor. It's going to be a wood floor we're cleaning, and it's going to come out fantastic. And you can't obviously use a truck mount to clean hardwood floors. I suppose you could, but it could be very dangerous to do that. It could cause buckling, swelling, you name it, right? So low moisture process, ultra low moisture, controlled low moisture process. That is what we do, and we can come to your office, we can come to your home, we could come to anywhere you would like with our process. And whether it's first story to the fourth story, we can be there, not disturb anybody, and give you a good, effective cleaning. I showcase all my work on this channel, large portfolio of different jobs. This is one of our commercial accounts, and keep watching and enjoy, and I appreciate you for watching. So we've done this room. Now we're going to head into the conference room, and we're just going to be moving this back and forth, the chairs. So I'm not going to film moving the chairs back and forth, but you get the idea. We're not able to just put these chairs out here. That's how we're going to do it. But back and forth, side to side. Chairs have wheels on them. We're going to move them. We've already performed the dice process, and I'm almost out of battery, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to film all of this. But I'll show you a little. So we're also getting the floors hardwood. You can see how much better they look. Ultra low moisture approach, of course. See, there's a little stain spot right there. Comes right out. Try doing that with mopping alone. Very difficult. This is the Odoban neutral floor cleaner, the commercial grade floor cleaner. See, and it's virtually dry when we're done. See, there's no footprints there. Ultra low moisture, ULM. So reiterate, you could see no footprints, floors are dry, they look great. Well, that might be a gouge of some sort. Something wrong with the finish. I don't think that's a stain. Don't see it now, but we'll see it when it completely dries.